Hello friends, my name is SuNN and I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Mostly I demonstrate online, but 3 times a year I host a one-day in-person event at a local venue here in Kelowna, BC. I call it Crafting at the Lake House, and this series has become a fan favorite here on YouTube. Now I've been asked to sell the written tutorial of all 14 projects, so there is a PayPal link in the description box below. PayPal will direct you to a download site after payment where you can download the tutorials immediately. One more special mention, I have a limited number of event bags left over. If you'd like to be a part of this exclusive crafting event and have a special bag, please use the link below to fill out the form to get one. Now, if there is no link, I've been sold out. Anyway, there are 14 projects to share with you, so I better get started. Remember to like this video if you like it and subscribe to get notified when another video comes out. Okay, kiddos, here we are with card number 1 of the Crafting at the Lake House. I am featuring a stamp set called Lighting the Way stamp set and dies. I'm mainly featuring the dies, but anyway, on page 18 is where you're going to find all of these products. The paper that is in my hands right now is called the Dry Brushed Metallic Specialty Paper, and I am using my new Boho Blue cut and emboss machine. This machine you can only get as a demonstrator or when you sign up as a demonstrator. And if you would love to join my team, I would love to have you. So hit me up with some questions and I've got all the answers. The Boho Blue mini cut and emboss machine is, you can add it to your starter kit only for the month of February. Oh, what month am I in? Anyway, I have Gorgeous Grape, Daffodil Delight, and Vellum, and I'm cutting out the lightning bug. And I will mention this, that I've never seen a lightning bug. It is on my bucket list. I've seen them on like Google and in books and all of that, but in all of my years I've never seen one in real life, and I am from the prairies. We just never saw them. So I think my life would be complete if I met an armadillo. I've never seen one of those either, or a lightning bug. So I have no clue what they're actually supposed to look like. So these are the colors that I have chosen in which I think that they are supposed to look like. Anyway, moving on, I am dry brushing on some ink on my basic white here. The ink is, what is the ink? Pear Pizzazz. One of my favorite greens, actually. I have quite a few of them, and I have I dislike one green a lot. But we won't talk negative. We are going to talk positive. This is one of my favorites, Pear Pizzazz. I also like pears. How about you? I've brushed on some green, and now I'm using the same green, the same Pear Pizzazz color, and I am stamping some grass along the bottom because I wanted to make a grassy knoll to which I'm going to set my lantern on. I'm coming in with Starry Sky ink, which is it's the card base there. But it really has a purple hue to it. So it's a bluey purple. It's like if Night of Navy had got married to Gorgeous Grape, and this is their baby, because it's kind of purple. It's got a real purple warm tone to it. And also that Night of Navy bluish kind of color. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. I think I like it better than Orchid Oasis, although they're really similar. So anyway, these are in colors. They're with us for another year. And I am dry brushing that sky on. And you can see what I'm doing. I have a non-porous surface here. Often people say, what is a non-porous surface? It is, so I made this one myself. It's just the small grid mat, and then I laminated it. So I ran it through a laminator, plastic on both sides, melted the plastic over top of that grid mat. I have several actually. And it's nice because I, don't have to wipe off my desk all the time. I just wipe this off, and my desk is nice and clean to move on so that I don't mar the back of cards. So it's kind of like a little desk saver is what it is. That's what I shall call it from now on. I've inked up the sentiment that says, "Thanks for lighting the way." And I put that on this strip of basic white. And this is So Saffron, which is actually my favorite yellow in our collection. So these are all my favorite colors, actually. I inked up, this is kind of like the the lightning bug trail. And now I'm just going to use my lantern here as a placeholder. And that's where I'm going to stick this circle. And there's actually 3 circles in the Lighting the Way stamp set to match all 3 different lightning bug sizes. So there's big, medium, and large. But I bet you could make a bouquet or bokeh card with these. Just saying, I see lots of potential. All right, so I used my liquid glue. I adhered the vellum wings, and then I adhered the lightning body. Wouldn't that be awesome if we all called our bodies lightning? I love my pudgy lightning body. I mean, it makes it sound so much better. Middle-aged lightning bodies. Anyway, okay, sorry, it's late. I put dimensional adhesive behind the lantern, the lightning bug, and now I'm going to deal with this sentiment. I'm cutting off the excess, and I am making flag ends or fishtails, whichever you want to call them. You go ahead. I cut straight up the middle, go from the corner to the middle, and snip with my paper snips. And I've often said these paper snips are super sharp, and they are sharp. You probably could use them as hair shears. I wouldn't. I'm not promoting that at all, but they're sharp. They're sharp like my scissors at the salon. So be careful when you use them. Here is my Seal Plus, which is my favorite adhesive. I know some people laugh and scoff at me, but it's really strong. It doesn't fall. It's not gummy. It's different, and it really holds your papers together. So although sometimes it drives me nuts because it doesn't come out at the where you want it to. It has a mind of its own sometimes, but at the same time, when it works, man, it works. So I'm adhering my focal piece to the gorgeous grape piece, and then that piece I'm adhering to the card base, which is Starry Sky. Now I'm going to place my lantern above that bokeh dot and then the lightning body on top of the dots, and then the sentiment. Oh my God, thank God this video is over. All right, thanks so much for watching. I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.